Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna walk you through how to fill up Bahamas Immigration Arrival Card. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when you travel to Bahamas, you get this card. You can fill this up at arrival over there, or also you'll get it in your flight. Okay, you have to fill it up this in the uppercase letter, black or blue ink. Okay. Now section 1 is for both, whether you are a visitor or a citizen or a resident. But section 2 is only for visitors. So section 1 is your surname. Make sure it matches with your passport. First name, you have to fill in the box. Gender, you need to tick. Country of birth. So you can tick here US, Canada, US, Bahamas, whichever. If anything else, you can write here. Country of citizenship, again, you have this option. Passport number, date of birth, home address, where you live now. Okay, same thing, country of residence. They are asking other than provide that. Arriving by, select the airline and the flight number. So these are the airlines that usually operate. If there is any other airline you are using, then use that. Date of arrival, a city where you boarded this plane. So basically, the plane that takes you inside Bahamas. Okay, so that's part you have to do. Second part is below for visitor. Okay, travel agency name, online booking agency name, where you did the booking. So if you have done for Expedia, provide that. Okay, intended stay, how many nights, type of accommodation, an address you can do, and purpose. Number of visits in the last 5 years, including this visit. Provide that information and sign. Do not do anything under the immigration officer stamp area. It is totally on them. And that's it, guys. If everything goes smooth, you'll be allowed to enter. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.